Okay friends, now let's get it out. Hi friends, welcome to another video of Karan's World. So yes, yesterday I did post a celebration video, and today I've come up with another really cool video which is about underwater experiment. It's basically a sort of a magic trick, also being a science experiment. Let's try it. So, what you need is one paper towel, like this, one glass, and a bowl filled with water not to the brim, like around here, around here, 3/4 filled. I'm gonna scrunch all my paper towel up, dunk it in. So we're gonna do it now. Okay friends, now let's get it out. So friends, it's fully dry. I'm not even joking. This paper towel is fully dry. I'll explain to you the science behind this. It's basically when the paper towel is entered into the glass and then is submerged into the water, there's pressure that is made inside the made inside the glass, and then no air will be allowed to pass through the glass. So that's why that keeps the paper dry. But for example, if we tilt it like this, then the air is going to be let in, and then the paper towel will be soaked. So now I'm going to show you what happens if I tilt the glass inside the water. I just dip this in. Now I'm going to tilt it so you guys know what is going to happen. So you just saw a lot, like a big bunch of bubbles just get out of the glass. That shows you the air entering. That shows you the air entering the glass, which breaks through the pressure made in the glass. So as you can see, it's completely soaked now. The tissue is completely soaked because we tilted it, and that leads you to why the paper was completely dry, because we weren't tilting it inside the water. And as I had said before, the pressure built up in the glass and it was like stood in the water, and that didn't allow any air from the water pass into the glass, and that leads you for getting a dry paper towel. But when you tilt it, that makes air go in, and you saw the bubbles there. That was the air going through the glass, and that made the paper towel extremely wet. So this is the science behind it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I really sure did. So stay tuned for other uploads. See you in the next one. And if you're new, make sure to be subscribed to my channel Karan's World, and liked and shared all my videos, and also press that post notification button so you will get notified when I post a new video. See you in the next one. Bye.